Welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I am with the LW-Z5010PX and I'm going to show you how to make a serialized Block 66 label. It's super easy. Let's take a look. Now to get to the Block 66, we go to the home screen. So really easy, just put the home screen and it's going to bring you there. Now I'm going to go ahead and select Block 66 and it's going to, just like the other features, it's going to walk me through creating the format for that label. So the first thing I get is the option to select the length, either by the label or the block. For this one, I'm going to set the label length, okay? So I'll hit that and then hit next. Now the label length for this one is 4 inches total. Okay, so that's good. I can go ahead and do that, hit next. Now it's asking me to select the number of blocks. Now this particular panel has 8 blocks on it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And then we can also set the line separator. For this one, I want a dotted line, so I'm going to go ahead and select that and then hit next as well. Here we can select the orientation. So you can choose how you want the text to be laid out on that label. For this one, I'm going to go with vertical 2 and we will hit return. Okay, now the Z5010 gives you the option during the setup if you're going to serialize the text or have freeform type. So being I want this one serialized, I'm going to select serialize and just hit next. So now I'm on the serialized text. All I have to do is enter in my first starting number. For this one, it's going to be A01. Okay, so I enter in that starting number and hit done. You'll see it has now applied that to my label. So all I have to do is push print. Easy peasy. There you go. And now I've got my Block 66 label. If you have questions on the Z5010 creating labels or any of the other printers in the lineup, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.